I guess we need to start these videos off high at Sherry with the thing saying if you're not 18, please turn this video off because this is not made for you. So if you're younger, 18 or younger, or under 18, I think it is, whatever it is, please turn this video off now. Okay, good morning everybody. I'm coming to you with November's ISSA Link Party number 11 with scrapdaworld. I just wanted to share what I made really quick with you guys. It was gift bags and a crayon box to put them in. So this was a learning experience for me that I really enjoyed. I learned how to make these little gift bags as well as the crayon box. I used 110-pound cardstock to make my little box with. And what did I do with my little folder I used? Oh, I can't find it. I embossed everything with an embossing folder from AliExpress. Yeah, from AliExpress, and I made 4 bags to go in here. This is the first one. It's all done in white. It's embossed with a Christmas embossing folder. It says magical. I put a little poinsettia down here and a Christmas bulb. And I used the paper from Christmas in the Country by Prima is what it is. I went around each one with this little rope, this little gold rope, to make it look like it was in a frame. My box is also embossed, and for the top I put a poinsettia and a Christmas bulb, and I closed it with Velcro. I made this look like a little picture frame as well, and I put some snowflakes with bling on here from the dollar store. And then it holds all of them. I was just letting one dry. So I'm going to pull these out and I will share them with you so that you can see each one. This one says the most wonderful time of the year on it. And they are little gift bags, like I said, so you can put little gifts in them. This one says spreading joy. Again, the Christmas bulb and the poinsettia. And then this one says believe. So that is my project share for the ISSA Link Party number 11 with scrapdaworld. I hope you enjoyed what I made, and I'm looking forward to visiting with you soon. Bye.